Hello everyone, welcome to Math Circle. Today I want to show you how to solve this problem. This is a problem from NCERT chapter Surface Areas and Volumes. Two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. We have to find surface area of the resulting cuboid. So if we look at the question carefully, we find that there are two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, and they are joined end to end. So let's find the solution of this question. What we are given with is simply the volume of a single cube is equals to 64 centimeter cube, and we have to find, let's say, what we have to find is surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now let's assume side of this cube equals A, and we know that volume of a cube is given by the formula A cube. If you don't know about these formulas, what you can simply do, you can watch our video of all the formulas on the surface areas and volumes using this I button. Now, we get A cube equal 64 centimeter cube. This implies A should be cube root of 64, and we know that this gives us the value of 4. If you don't know how to find the cube root of any number, you can simply watch our video on the same problem. Now, as the cube or the volume was in centimeter cube, then the length should be in centimeters. So we get the length or side of this cube equals 4 centimeter. Now the question was to find surface area of the resulting cuboid. If we try to find all the dimensions of this cuboid carefully, what we need to do is find length, height and breadth of this cuboid. If we observe it carefully, we know that this height is equal to the edge of the cuboid, which will be 4 centimeter. Similarly, breadth will be 4 centimeter, but length is made up with two edges of the cube. So length becomes 4 plus 4, which will be 8 centimeter. And to find surface area of cuboid, we make the use of another formula, which will be 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This gives us, substituting all the values of these dimensions, length is 8 multiplied by 4 plus breadth is 4 multiplied by 4 again, and height will be 4 multiplied by 8. Solving it carefully, we get 8 fours are 32, 4 fours are 16 and 4 eights are 32. This gives us 2 multiplied by 80. In result, we get 160. And as all the dimensions were in centimeter, so the unit will be the unit of the area will be centimeter square, which is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want similar questions solved, you can subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share and like with your friends. Have a nice day.